Hello, hello, hello. This is Mark from Always Soul 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Now I'm gonna do this video walk around for this specialty van. It's a 2005. It's a 2005, guys, Sienna LE model, right? The handicap ramp right there. It's all automatic, automated. Just 120,000 miles on an 05. This is 21-year-old car, and you understand if you divide the miles, maybe like average 4,000 miles. Per year driven. Yes, no rust, which is great because any Toyota, all Toyotas have rust on the handicap vans if it's a northeastern car. But we have the car, it's a Florida car. Let's go look at it quick on this side. Now we're gonna start from the back. We have this quarter panel. Of course, you will have some scratches, dings, or dents. Guys, keep that in mind. These vehicles always have scratches, dings, or dents. This is not what it's about. It's about actually have a handicap conversion van, affordable, that you can actually use for yourself. Now we're gonna go to the back door quick. The vehicle is running right now. Okay, we're gonna open this one for you. You have the spare, you have this box, this is the controls, everything that is here. You have the latches right there. Everything is being cleaned up. Headliner even good, and you have the rear AC for the Sienna. By the way, AC works. Okay, we're gonna close this. And as you can see it right here, you don't see any rust anywhere. Now look at the bottom. Let's go at the bottom. Now look at the bottom, guys. Look at these, even the exhaust and everything. It's super, super clean. Look at over here. Look, that's where you look at it. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Guys, super, super nice. Rarely you find Japanese made handicap vans like if it will be a Honda Odyssey handicap without the rust. It's rarely you're gonna find old schoolers, okay? Like, or you take back in the days, these Dodge Caravans, for example, and Dodge Caravans also rust buckets. Everybody knows that. Now, I'm gonna close this thing up. Okay, beautiful. If it's automatic, I can't believe it. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna go to this bumper. Bumper is okay. Bumper is fine. I don't see any issues. Tires up, guys. Tires not new, so if you're gonna need yourself buy silver tires, you probably will, because you're not gonna buy the car for one day or for 1 year. You're probably gonna buy it forever, so you could have it. Now you're gonna buy yourself brand new tires. So tires not new. Quarter panel is nice. This door have a scratch right here. Take a look. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so this thing, you got a backrest of this car with off the clips. Okay, we just got the car. Once again, I always do videos for the way the car is. We don't do anything extra. If we could put it together, we will. But as of now, it just happened. We detailed the car, so this is how we're gonna show you the car. I'm gonna leave this here, and we're gonna look at inside. You have the rear air conditioner. Okay, you got a nice carpet, and there is no issues with the seats, and it's non-smoker. There's no cigar smell or anything, no dog smell, no cigars, no cats, no elephants, no alcohol, no drugs. I mean, drug-free car, like this. Look, easy to operate. Now, this door is nice, the fender is nice. Once again, the wheels, everything is here. I'm gonna open up this door. It's a driver door. Take a look. Now, windows work everywhere. Let's see if these windows work. Okay, these windows work too. You got power seats right here. The seats are nice. Once again, you do have hand control. That's a brake. That's gas. That's your signal. Okay, all your buttons for whatever that works for the handicap ramp works. We'll actually show you in a second. Now we're gonna go and open the hood. All right. So, and dashboard is not cracked, which is very nice. All Siennas are dashboard cracks. Now, if you look at the windshield is original. That's what it says, original windshield. That means there's no front damages before. The only thing, please take a look at this camera, put it up. You see, you have a faded roof. Guys, we're not gonna paint this. We're just gonna make it affordable so you could actually use it. I don't think you care about how the roof looks when you're a handicap van, okay? Look at that. Beautiful. The VIN numbers are right there. Everything is supposed to be the way it's supposed to be. Guys, keep in mind, this vehicle sold as is. It's 20 years old. Now, the price you see is not including taxes, dealer fees, and registration. shipping $1 to $1.50 per mile, okay? You can hear the AC works. Now, the hood is nice, the front bumper is nice, it's missing the little grill. Take a look, missing the little grill, okay? If you really, really need it, you can always buy it on eBay for yourself. Now, I think we went through this car already, all around. Now, what we're gonna do is operate the door. So, all you have to do is click on the button and for the door, and have it, it will automatically open the door, and it will automatically drop the ramp down, okay? So, guys, keep understand, this is conversion ramp. This is not original, it's, you know, aftermarket, obviously. Toyota didn't make it. So we're gonna press the button. You can also press the button right there on the dashboard, same button, to open up the door, it goes automatically. You see? Now, once again, I want to make sure you are up to date with all the announcements. Keep that in mind. This vehicle sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Shipping $1 to $1.50 per mile. We're gonna try to ship it as fast as possible if you need it. Your paperwork could be done remotely through DocuSign. Now, and the payments, of course. Now, I always advise, do not send money to anybody if they don't provide you an invoice, okay, at least. So we'll provide you the invoice, we'll give you wire transfer instructions, and you pay. And then right after, it's usually 5 business days until the car gets picked up and shipped to you, okay? And another few business days, depends on where you are, to get it delivered. Now, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to call us. My name is Mark from Always Sold 123. I'm blessed to have you watching my video. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.